In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Elementor Wordpress. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to temporarily remove a section from view without permanently deleting it, you're in the right place. This function is especially useful if you're designing your website for different devices or if you plan on revealing certain content later on. Let's dive right into the process. We begin by opening your web page in the Elementor editor. This is done by clicking on Edit with Elementor. Once the editor has loaded, take a moment to navigate through your page and locate the particular section you wish to hide. You can do this by scrolling through the page or using the Navigator tool, which provides an outline of your page structure. Selecting the right section is key to ensuring that you're hiding exactly what you intend to. With your section selected, direct your attention to the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find several tabs, but what you want to do is click on the Advanced tab. This is where Elementor keeps additional settings, offering more control over how elements on your page behave. Within the Advanced tab, look for the Responsive section. This is a powerful feature that allows you to customize how your web page adapts to different screen sizes, such as desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. By hiding elements on specific devices, you can create a more tailored user experience. Now, focus on the options available under the Responsive section. Here, you'll see several toggle switches labeled Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet, and Hide on Mobile. If your intention is to keep the selected section visible only on certain devices, decide which devices it should be hidden from. Simply toggle the appropriate switches to activate these settings. For example, if you want the section to be hidden on mobile devices, turn on the Hide on Mobile option. You can toggle 1, 2, or all 3 based on your design requirements. After you have made these selections, the final step is crucial to ensure that your changes are saved. Look towards the bottom of the Elementor panel for the Update or Publish button. If your page is already live, you'll click Update. If it's a new page, click Publish. This action will save your adjustments, removing the section from view on the selected devices while keeping it accessible on others. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to hide sections in Elementor for various devices. This can really enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your site, allowing for a more streamlined and deliberate presentation of your content. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.